All right, so this is the accelerometer display that I created over the summer with the help of Dr. John Templeton and the USF students, the mechanical engineering students that are working on this project with the Mac Parkman Foundation. So at the beginning, you're going to see me creating a clone of the GitHub repo. All I'm doing is just using Visual Studio Code and creating this in a folder. And as you can see, these are all the files that you'll need. Okay, now for the setup, we're going to use this SparkFun quick cable to connect it to the OpenLog Artemis without the IMU. Then we're going to connect that to the triple axis accelerometer breakout. And finally, we're going to use a USB-C to USB cable, and we're going to connect it to my computer. So here, this is important. We need to make sure that we know which port we're connecting it to. This is COM6. All right, so one more thing, we have to make sure that that light is on because that means that the accelerometer is working and it's powered and it's ready to go. Now we need to run the display.py file and we're going to access the sensors tab. We can pull the different ports to either the external or internal column, and that will allow us to see the data and have it displayed in the oscilloscope view when we click on the navigation tab. And as you can see, as I wiggle the accelerometer, I can show the data values. And we can also adjust the thresholds for the color schemes. And this is really just to emphasize where the more extreme magnitudes are. And obviously, like I said before, we can swap the port onto the internal side. And now it is being read into the internal sensor oscilloscope. The same can be done for the grid view. And this shows not only the orientation of where the accelerometer is being pointed, but also it shows the magnitude, like how hard it's being pushed in each direction.